Teriyaki salmon spring rolls. Salmon. Strips like these.
Soy sauce, oyster sauce, garlic powder, onion powder, and sesame oil.
And mix. Let's air fry. 370 for about 10 to 12 minutes. Sesame seeds while they're hot. Got a bowl of warm water, rice paper, dip into the water for like 5 seconds. Rice paper down, lettuce, baby spinach, cucumbers, roll halfway, then add your salmon and some fresh mint. Roll and tuck, baby. Bam. Cheers.